Okay, if you'd like to pause the video now, have a go. Otherwise, let's get started. So, there are 7 students in total, 4 boys and 3 girls. Now, the question talks about a whole load of stuff, but the most important thing is that 2 people are randomly picked and everyone can be picked, and that the same person can be picked twice. Now, something to be careful of is when a question says, when it asks you to work out the probability of 2 things happening. Okay? Now, the question says that we're looking at the probability they will be different genders, okay? That's the important thing. Now, whenever it asks you the probability of something, never think of it that way. Always think about it as something and something else. Now, that's something and something else. Well, different genders. So the first one will be a boy, and the second one will be girl. Or we could have a girl and then a boy. So those are the 2 outcomes that would happen for us to have 2 chosen students that were different genders. So we're going to change that into maths. So the probability of a boy being picked is going to be 4, because there's 4 boys, over 7, because there's 7 students in total. Now, here's a key word for probability, the word and. The word and in probability actually means times. So we times that for the probability of a girl being picked. So it's going to be 3 girls over 7, because all people can be picked twice. Let's work that out. So that's going to be timesing the tops, which is going to be 12, timesing the bottoms, which is going to be 49. Now, the other key word in probability is the word or. The word or means plus. So we're going to plus. Now, we're going to do the same thing again. Girls is going to be 3 over 7. And boys is going to be 4 over 7. Which again equals 12 over 49. So we've got our 2 values here. So we've got these 2, but we need to add them together. So I'm going to rewrite that. I'll do 12 over 49 plus 12 over 49. And the rule for adding fractions is you add the tops, so it's going to be 24 over 49. Now, if possible, we can cancel that down. I don't think there's anything we can cancel that with, because 7 goes into 49, but 7 doesn't go into 24. I don't think there's any other values. So we're going to write that as our answer, 24 over 49. Now, some of you might be saying, well, why didn't you just double this one? You could absolutely double this one, because we knew this one would be the same. But if it was conditional probability, you've just got to be a bit more careful. And if there's different outcomes, you're not always going to double it, but mostly you will be. So just keep an eye on that. And actually, this working out is really clear, and it didn't take that much longer.